my dad's a tradie, and I suppose really like my grandfathers were both, they both kind of worked tradie adjacent jobs as well, and grew up kind of in an environment that was like, you're going to learn to plumb this, you're going to learn to maintain this, you're going to learn how to do all of these things, very practical. And so they're all skills that I'm very glad that I was given the opportunity to kind of learn. And then you stack YouTube on top of that, and like you look at my YouTube watch history in the last like 12 months, and I'm sure if we open my YouTube feed right now, it's like 70% of it would be the best way to build a deck, and flashing advice for removing siding off a house and reflashing, and stuff like that. So I spend like a good chunk of time doing that. Apart from that, like I really like to cook, so I'm a big cook. I've got, well, hopefully the chicken is no longer in the oven, and my fiance's pulled it out of the oven. But I had a thermometer in it, so it should have beeped when it got to temp. Okay. So we should be okay. And then in addition to that, I do a bit of running, a bit of cycling, and some Olympic weightlifting. So
nice.